Mendini by Cecilio Violin. It has the D'Addario prelude strings. It has genuine Mongolian horsehair on the bows. It has a metronome tuner that comes with it. It's really a classy, beautiful beginner's violin, and I absolutely love it. I finished my book, The First Lesson Violin by Mel Bay, that comes with the Cecilio, with one of your violins, depending on which one you get. And now I'm going on to another one. This is a hymn book that has lots of simple beginner's hymns, and I'm going to work through every single song. Not right now, but I've made that my goal for like the next week to do that. But this is one of my favorites, and so I want to play it for you because I have a little light and I let it shine, and I let it shine brightly every single place that I go. And I want the same for you. I want you to take that light that you have and let it shine. Let someone else be illuminated by it. Let someone be encouraged by it. Let somebody who's in a dark space be able to see your light and feel like, wow, I have life. I can do this. I can do that. I can move forward. Maybe it can save a life. You just never know. So let your light shine and be encouraged by this song. Be encouraged and grab you a beautiful Mendini by Cecilio Violin.